Well, guys, I'm supposed to be selling these two mothers today to a couple different people, so I figured, hey, you know what? Might as well get you guys a little pit bike footage. Peep that 190, and careful out there, guys. Careful letting your friends on pit bikes, and give them a good disclaimer. I told him, I said, now, go easy on her. But he's all right. He popped up. Then we put his shoulder back a certain way. We kind of did some stuff. We jammed his shoulder back in there, and then, well, you know, he's all right. So you got a lot of torque, dude. Like, if you sneeze on it a little bit, it's probably gonna try and come over backwards, so go easy. Treat it like a big bike. Hey, cheers. Happy Friday. Ride safe. And we got the rest of that. We got the conclusion to that. Yeah, all right, he popped up. We got the conclusion to it in the video. We're going to tune up this little Honda, rip on the CRF110, little AT CRF110 footage, and some other stuff, guys. We appreciate you. Have fun riding your pit bike this weekend. Be careful. And sometimes, you know, your friends, they'd be laughing at you thinking them things won't come out from underneath them now. So careful before you let them on them. He was worried that I was going to be mad because he wrecked the bike. And I was like, man, I really was hoping that you wouldn't for your sake. But once I let you on it, I was like, I'm not going to be mad at you for wrecking my bike. But if you let somebody on your bike, just know, chances are they're going to wreck that shit. So keep that in mind. Do you really want them to? Do you really want them to ride it? Are you willing to accept? You gotta choose now. Are you willing to accept that? So no harm, no foul. Pitster popped right back up. Ledge popped right back up. His shoulder popped right back in. And then we're back at it. Oh, me and Parker are gonna get this thing running because somebody wants to come get it. It's been sitting a while, so I'm gonna pull this carburetor off. 210 mils here and here. Phillips back there. Unscrew this, clean it. Put some fresh gas in it. It should run. It doesn't have any gas in it now, but I know the carburetor's probably dirty. Well, boys, we got the carb all cleaned. So, gonna go back on. Hopefully this sucker will fire right up and run. I know what a lot of y'all seen when you seen this. You seen Honda bigger than shit, but did you even look? Did you look? It's a Life Engine Yang CT70, man. Oh, I had lights a minute ago. I don't even got lights. There we go. A little busted, but got it running good. Somebody's coming to get it, so that was pretty easy. 70 cc's. I'm sure it'll go all 70 kilowatts or whatever the hell. Cool little bike. Do some carb on it, get it running. Get it sold, dudes. Hold up. Boom. So we got this old clone CT70 right here. I must have the fuel up. Careful, because the way this transmission works, it's either first gear with all the torque, or if you try and go the other way, it'll give you fourth gear right up front. So watch out for that. It's not all skinny ones. These ones. Remember which way's second gear. Then we're down third, you go down into fourth, and then fucking neutral, boys. What? Who the hell made this transmission? Pretty much got 10 times the torque of whatever you're riding. And it has some more functions that don't work, like it has a horn. It's got a headlight that's broken. It's got some other stuff going for it, you know? careful out there, because when you don't know how to shift them, and you're trying to go slower, then it goes faster. Whoa. Stoppy. Thank God it didn't. So, David said he was ready to sell, so got Reagan a little CRF110. Runs pretty good, but it's a little dangerous for a kid, and it's hard for him to operate this way, and it won't teach him good riding practices. You know, you can't have your hand open on a dirt bike like this, and if you're jumping it, you could really do some damage in there, boys. So we're gonna get that out of there, put twist throttle on it, and then Reagan can ride it more when he gets home. Yesterday he wore his hand out. Reagan on his new chopper. There you go. Now he's in second. Hey, and you go back down when you slow down. Now go up. Keep cruising. Shift it. Shift it. There you go. Good job. You need to practice shifting. Got it? Yeah. Heck yeah. This is supposed to be Reagan's, but he wouldn't ride it. Of these pit bikes, and us not doing the pit bike video in a while, well, I'll let my buddy Lurch ride the Pitster Pro 190, and well, he's finally healed up enough to where he said I can show you all the videos. So check it. When you're 6'5" on a 190, y'all better not dump the clutch now. It'll be trouble.
That one was like 10.
Yeah, they didn't make them like this back then, bull. Oh yeah, we're putting the Pitster Pro to the test. How much you weigh today, dog?
Like 320.
Nice. Should be all right. You're not gonna jump it, right?
Huh?
So you're not gonna jump it. Well, we got smoke going. We got a smoke show.
I smell oil. Yeah.
These things have been bad about coming off. I see that one kind of slipping a little bit. Hold on 1 second. She got a lot of torque. Scoot up a little bit, bro. Oh yeah, there you go. She gonna want a wheelie otherwise. Just clutch it and it'll start up. She got a lot of torque, dude. Like if you sneeze on it a little bit, it's probably gonna try and come over backwards, so go easy. Treat it like a big bike. You all right? Look what we got here. CRF110. And well, what happened was the frame got bent on it. Yeah, nobody ever heard of that. This is a 2013 model. Tires rubbing the front of the motor, wasn't really a whole lot we could do about it. So, you know, I tried to take a negative, turn it into a positive, boys. We made it fit in this CT70, stretched it 5 inches. Kept the dirt bike plastic. Now she's a ripper. Lots more of it on the channel, guys. I'm gonna rip it around a little bit. But if you wanna see some good riding footage of it, get on the channel, guys. It's been on there a lot. She's torquey, boys. She's torquey, fellas. A lot of fun to ride. I'm gonna go ride it actually now. And you guys be sure and get up in there, dudes. Hop on Instagram, guys, if you're looking for where we're actually selling bikes. The first place I'm gonna list them is Instagram. Time Machine ATVs on Instagram, dude. Follow us. I'm posting pictures every day, cool stuff like the Big Red and lots of stuff that ain't in here, guys, that you haven't seen. So get up in there. Let's see what this thing will even do. Sounds like it's got a hog-ass cam. So as an exhaust I made, 132 big bore kit. Oh shit. What, not even leaving a mark? Nuh-uh. All right, well, I guess it'll do donuts in the shop and it ain't big a deal. Let's see. Fortunately, I think it cleaned the floor a little bit, polished it. Get up in there, dudes. Lots more to come. Lots more videos coming. I just ordered exhaust for the Rhome and some different mirrors and a fender delete and a couple other little things. So I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. And, oh no, we can go ride this weekend, dudes. Let's see what we whip out. All right.
Got it. First gear's got it.
Dudes, if you like pit bikes, get up in there. There's lots more on the channel. That whole build, BW80, the whole build's on there. Air-cooled, semi-automatic, horizontal engine, daggum pit bike, 2-stroke. It's on the channel. Well, AT CRF110. Do these count as pit bikes? We just put the Chinese Yoshi on this brand new Rhome we got the other day. China Yoshi? Damn! Not too bad. Lots of Rhome videos on there, guys. I let my buddy Lurch on this Pitster Pro 190 the other day. There's a review on the channel and an unboxing, couple good videos of it. Dudes, it rips. And he's a big guy, so I wanted to give him something, one that he wasn't gonna, you know, here we put him on one of these BWs now. He might put him, we gotta give him something that had a little bit of torque, and he said he could handle it, so I think he dented the wall over there, probably chipped his elbow or something, and you guys gotta be careful out there. Don't let these pit bikes, especially if you got one that's all hopped up, don't let your boys get on it and hurt themselves now. This is serious shit. Lots more on the channel, dudes. Pit bikes, I just picked up this CR250 today. Got a bunch of 3-wheeler projects for this winter. Almost done with this Odyssey. That's on the channel. And, whoa. The fuck? Where'd that come from? Lots more on there, dude. Lots of other pit bike activities. Lots of other machines. Lots of 2-strokes, 4-strokes, big and little bikes. Pretty much everywhere, guys. So get up in there. I'm going to get to mowing. I appreciate you guys for 20,000 subscribers. Share to your friends, guys. Get them on board. Share the videos. Watch them. And we appreciate you. Comment and I'll respond. What's up? I'm still batting like 1,000 for responding to comments, unless you a little bitch. Unless, you know, you say something nasty. Chuh.